Namaste and welcome to a new video with Simply Kaushiki. Today I am thrilled to share this little corner of festive joy with all of you. Diwali is almost here and it's a perfect time to add a sparkle and warmth to our homes without overspending. Personally, I love mixing old and new decor to create a fresh look each year, and this video is filled with fun DIYs, easy hacks to make your space feel Diwali ready. Take these floral garlands for instance. I bought them years ago, but this time I'm dressing them up by adding these tea light holders. Just removing few links from the chain here makes it into a 3 diya holder. And Viola, an old garland with a beautiful new look, is ready. Now let's create some magic with fabric. I had this old salwar kurta fabric that I loved once but never got it stitched. So instead of letting it sit unused, I decided to turn it into a cozy festive cushion covers. And I use my trusty sewing machine for this, but you can use fabric glue or even needle and thread. Well, I'll also work with some of my old cushion covers. We all have those we can't part with, right? Just by adding some gota lace, I'm planning to give this a lovely Diwali sparkle. This is such a easy hack, but the transformation is always satisfying. Just wait till you see how it all ties together. Alright, we all have that one piece of furniture we wish we could replace. My sofa is definitely mine, but with little creativity, I have managed to make it work. Throw blankets and cushion covers are my secret weapons most of the time. I'm using some of my very old cushion covers that I haven't used lately, like this one from Home Center, and I will use throw blankets to create a difference between these two similar looking sofas. While using throw blanket, you can use absolutely a contrasting throw blanket which goes with your color theme or color palette, or can take similar throw blanket which is in the color scheme of your sofa. Throw blankets can be thrown on the seat itself to hide some unwanted stains, or if you have some cuts on the sofa because of little ones or pets around. Just make sure that you neatly tuck them so that they don't come out while people are sitting on it. When you're running short of time, I think the lint roller works perfect to clean up all those odd spaces like lampshades, sofa. Just a quick wipe and everything looks seamless and clean. I really love the hint of gota on the cushion covers. Let me know your thoughts on these DIY cushion covers. This year, I wanted to go beyond traditional wall hangings and create a cozy yet a festive glow. So I added wall diyas, garlands, and string lights to really bring in the Diwali spirit. I am using pin nails here, they are sharp and they don't leave big holes in the walls, and perfect for temporary decor. I will add battery operated lights as a caution to avoid any sort of fire hazards. If you're enjoying this video, then please consider subscribing to the channel as I share weekly videos on this channel. And what's a Diwali without candles and diya? I made a simple candle holder using items around the house. I saw this inspiration on IKEA and I wanted to buy it, and thank God I didn't. I will insert a picture. And another one that I saw on People Tree, I think. And this DIY will save me hundreds of rupees. All it takes a brass plate, a glass bowl, secure it with double-sided tape, and the best part is I can use these separately throughout the year. You'll see what I'm talking. Did you like this hack or DIY? Let me know. And finally, let's add few touches to the coffee table. A few decor pieces here, a bowl, a DIY candle holder, brings it all together. Coffee table is such a focal point, and little details like these make it come alive. Closer to Diwali, I'll add fresh flowers to complete the look. If you have enjoyed these ideas, do check out my other festive videos where I share recipes and more DIYs and decor hacks to make your home festival ready. Now I'll add the final touches, but you please like, share and subscribe and comment your favorite idea from today's video. I'll leave you with the final tour and I'll see you in the next one. Until next time, happy decorating. Bye-bye.